Hey, hi friends, welcome to Creation Technologies. Today we are going to discuss about how to convert a particular string into the title case. Okay, so I'm going to take a sample string where I will convert that particular string into the title case. So title case is nothing but about where the each of the word, the first character should be in capital and rest of the characters should be in small character. Okay, so I'm going to write a program. So let me take first a string. So this will be my input string, and I'm going to give the string can be anything. Okay, and here let me make this h as small. Okay, even if we can keep it as capital, but I will keep this one as small, and in my next example I will make this h as capital. Okay, so now I need to get the culture info. So to get the culture info, we need to use this namespace, which is the globalization namespace. So this culture info is the class where we'll get the current culture for the current culture, and I'm going to use thread dot current thread dot current culture. Okay, and after that I'm going to use the text info. So where uh, I will get the text info from the culture info. Okay, now I'm going to use the text info. Go to text info equal to current culture info dot text info. Okay, so where I will get the text info from the that culture info. Okay, then I'm going to directly convert this string, my input string, into the title case. Okay, so now I'll use a variable called as title case equal to text info dot to title case. So here already a method is there where it will convert the specific string to title case, except for words that are entirely in uppercase, which are considered to be acronyms. Okay, so I will convert my input string into the title case, and after this I am going to just print this one in the output window. And let me write console dot read. So now my coding is done. Okay, so let me put a breakpoint here. I'm going to just run this code, and I will just debug each and every line so that we can get to know what are the values we are getting. Okay, now we hit the breakpoint. Let me scroll it down. Okay, let me press F10. Okay, so in case of the input string, we got the hello world from C#. Okay, now let me again press F10, and here I will get the culture info. So here is my EN/US, United English with United States. And in case of the text info, I also got the text info of same English United States, and I also got some of the other properties from that text info class. Okay, now I'm going to run this next line where it will convert our input string into the title case. Now here you can see it display hello world from C#. Okay, now if I click on continue, then in the output window you can see here it display hello world from C#. Now let me stop this now. Okay, and as I said earlier, I'm going to change this hello, I mean the H to the capital letter. Now let's run it again and we'll see whether we are getting the same output or not. Okay, we got the same output. Okay, now let me do some of the modification, like in the world I will just change this O and R to the capital letter, and this R and O to the capital letter. And now let's see whether we are getting the same output or not. I mean, which is our expected output. Now also you can see here we got the same output. Okay, so like whenever you just want to convert any of the input string to the title case, then you can use this particular line of code where we are getting the culture info and the text info, and in case of in that text info we have that to title case is the method where it is taking the string and it is converting into the title case. So this is how you can convert a particular string into the title case. So this is all about our today's video. Stay tuned for our next video. Thank you.